Ladies and gentlemen, wait, Kay, I'm gonna tell her cue. Kay, no, don't come out yet. Okay, I present you, Kay and Marshall Synagogue.
We're gonna have a lot of fun with this video in 10 years.
So look pretty.
This video is gonna be fun to watch with them.
See, they're not coming out yet until everybody's seated. Please, no.
This is a backstage video.
No
It's a backstage.
paparazzi. No paparazzi until the movie is over.
Okay. Oh! You got censored.
Ladies and gentlemen, can you please come sit down? Everyone.
I think you're not very important here.
Ladies! Please come sit down.
Are you just introducing someone? Mom, he's waiting on you.
Sir, that is the VIP seat.
Excuse you.
The VIPs was when I was 9.
That is the celebrity seat. No! Listen to those crazy people. I'm a bodyguard, you idiot.
A bodyguard with those scrawny chicken legs?
Oh, what you call me? What you call me? I feel like I'm in your face.
Hi.
He's the camera guy. You act like
I'm not
you're
recording.
there.
There's no light here. I'm not recording. I'm not
Look at
recording.
the camera, Jalen.
Okay.
Over there. Sit down.
Which one is that VIP seat?
Sit.
Come on.
Your performer's getting impatient. Yeah, she's probably going to come out from around the corner any second.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most weirdest fashion in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Kay Marshall Synagogue fashion masterpiece.
You're pretty. How beautiful are you?
You want her to say something?
Good job, MC.
Be quiet.
MC just broke the microphone.
Would you like to say any words, Miss Marshall?
In front of the camera.
What?
Is this a farting contest or what?
What? That means clap, people. That means clap. Good, ladies and gentlemen, Kay Synagogue. Woohoo! Get out of here. What am I supposed to do? We did not agree to this. Kay Synagogue. What am I? Stop it! What am I supposed to do?
I want to hear a joke.
Do
Say a
what?
joke.
Yeah, tell us a joke.
Do something. Do what? Do something. I can only dance if there's music.
Is she his manager or what?
You okay? The charters. Uh-oh. Face the other way. What happened to the music? Ew.
This video is going to your high school graduation.